so ridiculous. Whoa, this car's burning! Hello and welcome back to another video. I just got a message from my friend Pete that I should come by. He has something special planned and we are probably gonna take out one of his cars. So I don't know which one yet, but you will probably see it already in the thumbnail, but it's gonna be very exciting. And I wanted to say thank you very much for all the love on the last video. Thank you so much. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe and leave a comment. See you. Okay, it's quite dark already. I'm on the way to the location, to the undisclosed location where me and Pete are about to meet up. We just arrived at the location. Look who's here. Pete? What's the plan for today?
No, we're just gonna refill the car because last time we drained the gas.
It's insane.
Stop filming me.
Okay, let's do it. So we're taking the SVJ.
We're taking this one, and we might pick up my Rovato. It's at another place.
Yeah.
Later.
Okay, sounds good. I'm gonna film the startup.
It's gonna get pretty bad.
Pretty bad?
We're in the like, you know.
Hold your ears. It's gonna be very bad. It's insane.
Let's go.
It looks so insane. Take a look. Pete, on the last video, people asked, why are you using those gloves?
It's because I have an Alcantara steering wheel.
Oh, okay.
I had a car with an Alcantara steering wheel. It was a Hurricane.
Yeah.
And I didn't use gloves. And like the wheel got fucked up. So.
That's your name, right? PT.
Username.
Username.
Instagram. I don't know.
But isn't it PT02 on Instagram?
Yeah, it's 02 on Instagram, but like.
Why 02?
Long story.
Okay,
Actually,
we don't have to go into detail.
No, somebody took the one without the number.
Oh, look at this traffic, it's so insane.
Yeah.
And it's, how late is it? Like 9?
It's 8:40.
8:40.
It's okay. We're
It's
going
really
somewhere
bad.
not too crowded. So.
Okay, cool.
The Flyby.
Pete, what is the most unique feature of this SVJ?
Sorry. Actually, SVJs come with like as standard a 2-color interior. It's like white and black, but I wanted a 3-color interior.
Okay.
So I had at Personam make the door handle. You can see the pull tab.
Yeah.
And the middle of the seat.
There's also a blue line, right?
Yeah. In turquoise
Maybe you
as
can
well,
see it.
to match.
Yep, here.
To match my car. And usually if you do that, you lose the white stitching or the white piping somewhere else.
Okay.
So you kind of have to like tell them you want a bit of both.
Okay. How much is a fuel of the SVJ? What's the cost of one fuel tank?
Oh, actually, the thing is I refuel it like half tank.
Yeah.
Because I don't like to leave my cars that dry.
Okay.
It depends on what you fill up with, and I don't know. Can I say I don't look?
Yeah.
Okay.
I guess.
It's about like.
But how many kilometers can the car go on a full tank?
It says 420.
But that's probably a lie, right?
I get about like 250, I think. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, max probably.
Yeah, but
especially
I
if
think
you go
about,
like a little faster, right?
I think half tank is about 1,800 baht. 1,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's how many euros? The viewers can calculate it.
Like, we have to be safe. Driving a very expensive car, everyone looks at you, so you have to be extra safe. Because you have to be a good role model. We'll be safe here.
Oh yeah, one important thing. Most of the people ask, what kind of exhaust does the SVJ have?
It's not a Gitani, it's a Brilliant.
Really? What's the difference?
It's a Japanese dude who makes it. You have to look him up. His name was Sasaki.
But
Technical Garage.
Is it completely custom made?
they made it for this model.
Okay.
It's not custom to this car per se, but
Yeah.
but yeah, you have to order it from Japan, and then the guy he ships it to you.
How much was the exhaust? Do you remember?
It's around 3K, I think.
Holy shit. But 3K isn't a lot for an exhaust, right? If it's titanium, isn't it like more like 30K? Because I paid for my exhaust back then
I got the
on
exchange rate wrong. No, it's not 3K.
on my yeah.
It was I paid. How much did I pay? I think it was 300, around 300K Thai baht.
I paid for my exhaust for my M2 back then 5 years ago. I think 3K or 4K.
But the thing is, like, if you ask like Lamborghini owners, like
Yeah.
people who know Brilliant, they'll swear by it.
Oh, everybody likes it.
Yeah, like the people who
okay.
know, it's lesser known than like Gentani.
Yeah, Gentani is very well known. Yeah.
Novitec or whatever.
Like seeing this thing, and especially in Bangkok, it's so ridiculous. I can't wait for this drive-by. That's it. So loud. It's insane. The sound was so loud, my head hurts now. And I have a nice shot of the backfire of you driving past.
Really?
Yeah. So Pete,
Yeah.
what other cars did you have before the SVJ, the 296 and the Vuelto?
So I started with a 911, like a Carrera S and a Panamera Turbo, and then the 911 was the daily driver, and then I got a Gallardo. I think it was the later ones. I really like that.
What
But
year was it? What, the Gallardo?
I don't remember. That's way too long ago.
Okay.
But then I got a Huracan, and that was like perfect. It was really good as a daily driver.
In blue, right? No, in white.
In white, yeah. I really like that car, and I got an Urus to match it when it came out. And one day I took the Huracan in for maintenance, and they offered me the allocation for the SVJ.
The SVJ. How long ago was that? 4 years?
I think 5 years now.
5 years.
I was super happy. I said, yeah, of course.
Yeah, of course.
Really, like, really?
But did it turn out to be a good investment? Yeah, right? Taking that allocation back then.
Yeah, I guess so. But
It's probably up like 20% or 30% in
yeah, but
value.
when you buy a car,
you always
want to
lose
enjoy
right
it.
away.
Yeah,
Okay,
like,
yeah.
I don't know. I don't want to see cars as an investment.
Okay, that's good.
I like to see
That's
cars
rare.
as something like I want to enjoy. I want to drive them. I don't want to keep them just kind of like sitting around.
Yeah, it's a good mindset.
Both it. Like, it works both ways. Let's go refill.
Yeah, let's do it. And
Nah.
okay, let's do a B-roll.
É vapor, vapor no setor, é vapor, vapor do vapor. Vapor, vapor no setor, é vapor, vapor do vapor.
Look at this car, crazy. It's so insane. What do you feel when you're looking at it?
I didn't like it at first. For real.
Why
You know,
not?
the launch spec with the green wasn't a fan.
Oh, you mean the color, right? But the car itself, you
No,
love.
this color, this car too, I like.
Yeah.
But when the SVJ first debuted and they had like the metallic green one,
Yeah.
I wasn't really
Okay.
that into it.
But now you
And then
like
I
it.
saw it in real life. I saw a red one,
Yeah.
and I was like, okay.
You need one.
Yeah, but I didn't think I would get one. Seatbelts. Yes, got it. Yeah.
Do people ever, like in Thailand, do they talk to you about this car, or when you exit the car?
I've had a couple, I think, but actually, way back, the Huracan and the Urus got way more attention.
Really?
I think I got this at a time when a lot of people in Thailand, like more people have supercars,
Yeah.
so they're like a bit less rare to see
Okay.
these days.
have it since 5 years.
It's gonna be 6 years soon, and I don't have plans to sell it because it's so unique.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I don't think I can find anything else.
It's probably the last real dinosaur.
Yeah, it feels very different to drive compared to everything else. I don't think I'll ever find it again.
And is there any new car that came out which has the same loudness and emotion in that sound like this one? No.
I mean, if you look up those videos of the modded Reveltos, you know, with the modded exhaust.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah,
They're similar?
They're crazy too. It's a bit smoother,
Yeah.
but still pretty crazy.
What's the difference between the engines, between this one and the
That one
Revuelto?
revs higher.
Revs higher.
Revs higher, it's a bit faster.
Okay. And
Yeah.
does the Revuelto have turbos inside? Because this one doesn't, right?
No. Reveltos also no turbo.
So naturally aspirated V12.
Yeah.
So, another question from the past video we posted. If you haven't seen it, check it out, the SVJ pickup. Someone asked, what is your favorite or dream car to have? Your holy grail.
My holy grail.
Yes, your holy grail.
Ooh.
What would it be?
Can I do one per brand or something?
Say again?
Can I do one per brand?
No, you have to choose one. If you could have any car right now, which one would it be? Maybe the McLaren Senna, maybe a 918.
Not Ferrari.
La Ferrari, really?
Without a doubt.
Without a doubt, you heard it here first. Crazy. Why?
I don't know. It's La Ferrari.
Okay. Because you love Ferraris.
I like both. I love both Lamborghinis. I love Ferrari.
Okay.
Porsches I love too.
So Ferrari, if you're watching this, you heard it here
I only got into Ferraris
recently.
Recently, because the Revuelto took so long to arrive that I got the 296 as like a. At first, I thought it would be like
Yeah.
just something to fill the gap
Yeah.
while I wait.
Can we tell a story on how it happened with the 296?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I mean, how I bought it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it was kind of random, right? You went to the dealership
Okay. So
on accident.
not by accident really, but so I ordered the Revuelto,
Yeah.
and they told me it was like a 2-year wait. So
Okay.
I was a bit bored.
Which is
and-
quite long. 2
Yeah,
years.
and I was using a Taycan Turbo S. I
Yeah.
love that car. It's amazing. I still miss it.
Better
So,
than a Tesla?
for driving, yeah.
Okay. And it's faster probably, right? The Turbo S.
I don't think it's plate. It's like the Model S Plaid fast, but
Ah, okay. So it's
but it's fast enough. It should be legal on most roads.
Yeah.
Anyway, but it's just a good car.
Yeah.
And the price was not too bad here.
yeah. Okay, back to the story. Ferrari
Yeah,
story.
but so someone I knew wanted to get a Ferrari Roma.
Roma,
So
yeah.
so I took them to the dealership. We drove together to the dealership, and then they were looking at the Roma, but the sales associate just came up to me and said, "Oh, like, what do I use?" And I said, "Oh, I'm waiting for a Revuelto and
Yeah.
all those things." And I just and they said, "Would you be interested in a 296?" And I was like, "Yeah, I mean, sure, okay."
Yeah. And they had it
I
ready
don't-
for pickup, right?
Yeah, but the thing was that they had one ready for pickup, which is quite rare,
Yeah.
especially for a Ferrari. And,
Yeah.
I was bored. I wanted something fast. Dude,
Yeah.
when you spend money and you have to wait 2 years,
Yeah, it sucks.
it sucks. So
And most of the times it's not 2 years, it's probably even longer than, right?
yeah, sometimes it's
It
two,
delays.
2.5 or delays and
Yeah.
recalls and all that. So I wanted something.
Yeah.
When they said it's ready for delivery, you can have it
Yeah.
next week.
And so you took it.
Yeah.
And it was
My ears-
already
my ears-
pre-spec, right?
I told them like, okay, show me the spec first, and,
Yeah.
and then let's see.
Yeah.
And then so they're like, okay, they'll send it to me. It's yellow,
Yeah.
which I was a bit against at first.
But it's so beautiful.
Yeah,
Like it was a good choice.
it was a good choice.
And it's unique.
Yeah.
And we are back. If you liked the video so far, please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment and like. Next video is probably gonna be us picking up the Revuelto, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you for watching.